You are about to do something most people would never survive. You are going to step into the Amazon rainforest with nothing, no food, no tools, no shelter, and you have 30 days to make it out alive. Sounds simple. It is not. The Amazon is not a forest. It is a living machine designed to consume you. Every layer, from the roots underground to the canopy 50 meters above, is in competition, in defense, in predation. And right now, it doesn't know you're there yet. Day one begins the moment you step off the riverbank. The first thing you notice is the humidity, near constant 80 to 100%. Your sweat cannot evaporate. Your body's cooling system starts to fail. Within 2 hours, if you haven't found water, your core temperature begins to climb. Dehydration kills faster than starvation. Remember that. Water is everywhere, and almost none of it is safe without treatment. Rivers carry bacteria. Still water carries parasites. Your priority is finding a moving stream. Survival anthropologist Wade Davis, who lived with indigenous Amazonian communities, documented that even experienced forest peoples boiled water whenever possible. The ones who didn't were the ones who got sick. By day 3, you are probably already infected with something. The Amazon contains more species of parasite per square kilometer than almost any other ecosystem on Earth. Researchers at Brazil's Instituto Evandro Chagas cataloged over 200 parasitic organisms capable of infecting humans in the western Amazon alone. Many enter through skin, others through your mouth if you touch your face after handling soil. Your immune system is fighting. That means it is burning calories. And you are already running low. Calories are the real game here. The forest is full of life, and most of it is inedible without knowledge you don't have. Without a guide, eating random plants is gambling. What you can safely find: palm hearts, Brazil nuts, certain fish, and insects. Anthropologist Mark Plotkin documented Amazonian groups where beetle larvae contributed up to 40% of daily protein during lean seasons. The forest provides, but not easily. By day 5, your glycogen is gone. You're running on fat and protein. Thinking is slower. Reactions are longer. A misjudged step over a root. A sound heard too late. The Amazon does not give second chances. By day 7, something shifts. Survival psychologist John Leach called it the survival paradox. The first week kills most people not from physical causes but from psychological collapse, panic, poor decisions, overwhelm. But those who make it past day 7 find a rhythm. They stop fighting the forest and start reading it. Bird movements signal incoming rain. Ant trails reveal dry ground. Survival becomes pattern recognition, becoming part of the system. By day 10, you have fire. Fire lets you boil water, cook food, kill parasites. Anthropologist Richard Wrangham of Harvard argued fire is the most important technology in human history. Sitting alone in the dark in the Amazon, you feel exactly why your ancestors never let it die. By day 15, loneliness peaks. Researcher John Cacioppo found that prolonged isolation activates the same neural threat response as physical danger. Your brain reads aloneness as survival risk. This is biology. Your ancestors who separated from the group were genuinely in danger. Your brain has not forgotten, but you adapt. You always adapt. By day 20, you count time in meals and rain cycles. You know where animals drink at dusk. You have become a temporary part of this ecosystem. And then day 30 arrives. You walk out changed, not just thinner. Research from the National Outdoor Leadership School found that 30-day wilderness participants showed lasting increases in executive function and emotional regulation. Your brain was rebuilt by stress, by problem solving, by relentless attention. Tonight, standing in a grocery store, every product will feel like it came from another universe. A universe of abundance your survival-calibrated brain cannot fully process. That is not weakness. That is perspective. You stepped into the machine. You read it. You used everything your ancestors left inside you. The same brain that chose to walk in also chose to walk out. That was always the real question. But here is what no survival guide tells you. The Amazon does not break you with one big thing. It breaks you with 1,000 small ones. The blister that gets infected. The night you cannot sleep because something moves outside your shelter. The moment you reach for fruit and realize you do not know if it will kill you. Small decisions, stacked one on top of another, 30 days straight. That is the real test. And yet the people who lived here for thousands of years did not survive this place. They lived in it. the Yanomami, the Kayapo. What you experienced as survival, they experienced as home. That should change something in you.